Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel and today we are going to learn how to log in MailChimp account. So let's get started. So if you are trying to log into your account, now to do that what you have to do is first open up your browser. Select any browser you like and after opening up your browser, now in search bar you have to search for MailChimp.com. After searching for MailChimp.com, now what you have to do is just simply tap on login which is on the top right. And from here what you have to do is just simply enter your email address or username in the first blank. After entering your email address, you simply enter the password. After entering your email address and password, now just tap on login. And after tapping on login, you will successfully log into your MailChimp account. So that's it guys, this is how to log into MailChimp account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.